In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a credit card in Binance to buy USDT. This process is straightforward and convenient, making it easy for anyone looking to venture into the world of cryptocurrency by converting their regular money into digital assets like USDT. So let's walk through this together step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening up the Binance app. If you're not yet logged in, go ahead and do so. This is crucial because it's the first step any user needs to complete to access their Binance dashboard. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to do that first, but for today we'll assume you're already a registered user. Once you're logged in and at the home screen, look around for the Add Funds option. This is typically easy to spot as it's designed to guide you towards adding money into your account. Tapping on this will lead you to the next phase where you'll choose which type of cryptocurrency you're interested in purchasing. For our session, we will focus on USDT. USDT is a stablecoin often preferred by those who wish to avoid the volatile swings of other cryptocurrencies. Next, it's time to decide how much you want to spend. Enter the desired amount in your local currency. At this point, it's important to be mindful of how much you're willing to spend, considering any transaction fees that might apply. Binance usually provides real-time conversion rates, so you can see exactly how much USDT your money will buy. Now with the amount set, select credit or debit card from the variety of payment methods available. It's a convenient choice if you want a quick and relatively hassle-free transaction. If this is the first time you're using your card on Binance, you'll need to input your card details. It's just like any other online purchase. Make sure your details are correct and ensure your card is ready for such transactions, possibly requiring prior notification to your bank. With your payment method selected, proceed by tapping the Buy USDT button. This is the final step before you make your purchase, so review everything to ensure accuracy. Double check your entered amount and card details. Once everything looks perfect, go ahead and confirm the payment. After confirming the purchase, sit back for a moment. Once the payment is successful, the USDT you just bought will be credited to your funding wallet. This usually happens almost immediately, but give it a little time if there's any delay. There you have it, a simple, secure and fast way to purchase USDT using your credit card on Binance. Keep these steps in mind and you'll navigate the crypto world with increased ease and confidence. Thank you for watching and I hope this tutorial was helpful to you.